In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stay out of the spam folder in GoHighLevel. If you're sending campaigns from GoHighLevel and noticing that a lot of your emails are landing in spam, the most important thing you can do is set up a dedicated, verified sending domain. I'll walk you through that process step by step, and by the end, you'll have a much better foundation for strong email deliverability. First, log into your GoHighLevel account and head over to your Launchpad. This is the main area you usually see when you first log in, and it gives you access to all the tools for your location or account. From here, we're going to dive into the settings that control how your emails are sent. On the left-hand side, find and click on Settings. This is where GoHighLevel stores all of your key configuration options, and in this case, we're interested in the email settings that affect deliverability and your sending reputation. Inside Settings, look for the Email Services section and click on it. This is where GoHighLevel manages your email providers, sending domains, and authentication settings. To avoid the spam folder, we want your emails to come from a properly authenticated domain that you control. Next, locate the dedicated domain option and click on that. A dedicated domain means your account uses its own domain for sending instead of a shared one. This is crucial because sharing a domain with other senders can hurt your reputation if they don't follow best practices. Once you're on the dedicated domains page, click on Add Domain. A prompt will appear asking you to enter your domain name. Type in the domain you own and want to send emails from, such as your main business website domain. Make sure it's spelled correctly, because this is what your contacts will see in the from address. After entering your domain, click on Add and Verify. GoHighLevel will generate a set of DNS records for you. Click Continue to view the full list of records you need to add to your domain's DNS settings. Now, go to your domain registrar or DNS provider in a separate tab and add each record exactly as shown in GoHighLevel. These will typically include SPF, DKIM, and possibly other verification records. Take your time here. Even a small typo can prevent verification. When you're done adding all of the records, return to GoHighLevel and click on Verify Records. It may take a few minutes for DNS changes to propagate, so if verification doesn't succeed immediately, wait a bit and try again. Once your records are verified, your sending domain is authenticated. At this point, your deliverability will improve, and over time your sending reputation will strengthen, which greatly reduces the chances of your emails